developers, welcome back to Java Code Academy. Today we discuss about last the fourth pillar of OOPS concept. It is abstraction. Now we're moving to the main concept. Let me I have to say a small story. You sitting in a car drives seat or holding a car key. Do you know exactly how your car's internally combustion engine works? Do you know the precise mechanism of the transmission gears when you shift? Probably not. And guess what? You don't need to drive a car. You only need to know the essential features: steering, wheels, gas pedal, brake pedal. The complex details are hidden under the hood. This is abstraction. Hiding the complex, how it works, and only showing the essential, what it does. Today, we are the final pillar of OOPS. What is abstraction? Now, I discuss about the what is abstraction and why is the abstraction. Now I explain the this how do you drive a car. Now I already now explained it is abstraction is the process of hiding implementation details and showing only functionality to the user. Why do we need this? Why do we need this? Security and simplicity. If you are building a massive banking app, the person design the UI button doesn't need to know the complex backend math for calculating interest. They just need a simple method to call. The two types, two ways to achieve it. Abstraction. In Java, we achieve abstraction in two main ways. Abstraction class is 0 to 100% abstraction. And let's break down the using our e-commerce example. Now deep dive into abstraction class. Imagine you are e-com your imagine your e-commerce site need to handle payments. You have credit cards, PayPal, Bitcoin, etc. They all share some common features like generating a receipt, but the actual logic of taking money is totally different for each. So we create a partial blueprint called an abstraction class. We added the abstraction keyword. Abstract class payment. Step 1, concurrent method has a body. This is logic by all payment types. Void print receipt. System.out.println. What is receipt generator for the money, the amount also. Next method, abstraction method, nobody. We don't know how to this yet, but we know every child must do it. Abstract void make. You see the abstract void make. Look at the abstract void make payment. It has no curly braces, no code. It's just an idea. Crucial rule: you cannot create an object of an abstract class like payment p equals to new payment. It will throw an error. It's an incomplete blueprint. Now let's create the concrete classes. It is the implement the abstraction method providing a specific logic for PayPal. We must override the abstract method. We must always override the abstract method like system.out.ol specific condition will be printed on the logic. PayPal extends the property we. It is a PayPal is the child class, payment is the parent class. Child class refers to the payment class. The parent abstract class forces the children to define how. Next, we move to the main concept of abstraction, that is interfaces. Now, what if you want 100% abstraction? You don't want any shared variables or concrete methods. You just want to a pure concrete of behavior. That is an interface. Think of it like a job description. It's a list. What do you do, but not how you do it. Like the contract. Behavior blueprint defines a set of behaviors that classes must implement. Public and abstract. All methods are implicitly public and abstract. And the final is the final variable. Variable declare in a interface or implicity, public, static, and final. I already about the I said also previous videos in what is public, static is one keyword, and finally you can define the any method of variable. You use the final keyword, then that the final the statement used to define a set of rules that unrelated classes must follow keywords interfaces and implements. Now I move into the example of interface code. Now here when you are using the interface will not use the class keyword. It is not. It use the interface keyword. Interface method. It is not used the class method. When you declare the one class deliverable, you write a statement void public void get status. Here to the implemented to the used what this function is. I already tell it. It is the inheritance. Implemented implements is the keyword. It is inheritance also used to. This is the child class. Order is the child class. Delivery is the parent class. Now we printed the out of order. The order class implements the delivery class deliverable interface. Deliverable is a interface. I already said about interfaces or everything. Guaranteeing it provided get status method. If you want write a get status method, then the what is it delivery or in progress or like that you are already see in the Amazon your orders like that. Flipkart also there you can see that how it will implemented the here to the get status.